At Opira, we've got a new line of product from Systema in Germany to do airflow visualization studies. So if you have a requirement for GMP Annex 1 compliance, we're NATA certified to ISO 14644 Part 3 to help you with your visualization studies. We can either do that service for you, we also hire the equipment, and we also sell the equipment. So if you jump on our website and have a look, first we've got is the fog pistol. It's really light. It produces a paper white fog in a very large volume. These larger machines, the AFM Neos, they come in 3 different sizes. This machine uses piezoelectric modules. You can even split the hose 3 into 1, 2 into 1. You can get an airflow visualization pattern from 7 to 10 metres. The good thing about these is they use DI water only to generate a large fog. Yeah, no residue to clean up. Very practical machine. Jump onto our website, opira.com.au. All the contact details are there, so reach out and come and have a look.